Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, click the like, comment below, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we post a new video. Today we'll be talking more about cowries. Cowries are shells of certain species have historically been used as currency in several parts of the world. It was used in the ancient time and still in use now. They can also be used for making jewelries, decoratives, and for ceremonial purposes. Cowries were widely used as shell money. It can be mostly found in Indian Ocean and various parts of Africa. Cowries was imported in trade network of Africa. The shells of cowries are usually smooth and shiny and more or less like egg shape. The round side of the shell is called the dorsal face, whereas the flat side is called the ventral face, which shows a long, narrow, slit-like open which often tilted at the edges. Cowries are used for centuries as currency by native Africans. After 1,500 years ago, the shells used as currency became even more common. Western nations, chiefly through the slave trade, introduced a huge number of cowries in Africa. The Ghanaian Cedi was named after cowrie shells. Starting over 1,000 years ago, cowrie shells were used as Chinese currency. Cowries can be used for ritual purposes. As a result of Atlantic slave trade from Africa, cowrie shells are also used to consult the deity and hear their replies. The Aboriginal people of North America uses cowrie shells, which are called sacred Mingi shells, in midway ceremony, and White Shell Provincial Park in Manitoba, Canada is named after a type of shell. Cowrie shells are devices used for divination in some part of African countries. Cowries are prized charms. They were said to be associated with fecundity, sexual pleasures, and good luck. Cowrie shells are also worn as jewelry, ornaments, or charms. In Mende culture, cowrie shells are viewed as symbol of womanhood, fertility, birth, and wealth. Its underside is supposed by one modern ethnographic author to represent a vulva or an eye. On Fiji Island, a shell of the golden cowries was draped at the end and worn on a string around the neck by chieftain as a badge of rank. The woman used cowries and other shells in traditional handcraft.